When most people picture a home theater, they imagine a big-budget project with custom seating and top-tier sound systems. But a great theater doesn't have to break the bank. The basement is one of the best places to start. It's naturally darker, separate from the main living areas, and already feels private and enclosed, which makes it ideal for movie nights. Budget-friendly design isn't about cutting corners. It's about being creative with the space you have. A basement theater not only provides entertainment, but also transforms unused square footage into a cozy retreat for movies, games, or family gatherings. In this guide, we'll explore 4 key aspects of building a basement theater on a budget: making the most of the space, setting the right atmosphere with lighting and design, achieving good sound without costly soundproofing, and creating comfortable seating and viewing setups. The first step to creating a budget-friendly basement theater is working with the space as it is. Instead of trying to completely remodel the basement, the focus should be on enhancing its natural advantages. Basements are often dark, with small or no windows, which is perfect for reducing glare on screens. Rather than investing in heavy blackout curtains, homeowners can embrace the natural low-light environment. Walls can be left unfinished or given a simple coat of paint in dark, muted colors. This instantly creates a theater-like atmosphere without major renovations. Flooring, too, can be handled on a budget. Instead of expensive carpeting, area rugs or modular carpet tiles provide comfort, help absorb sound, and are easy to install. They also give flexibility for rearranging the layout later. Another important aspect of maximizing the space is decluttering. Many basements serve as catch-all storage areas, but by reorganizing and dedicating even a portion of the basement to a home theater, the experience feels intentional. Clever use of shelving, storage bins, and hidden compartments ensures that the theater remains visually clean and focused. Even small basements can be transformed effectively. By arranging seating against walls, choosing compact furniture, or even using beanbags and floor cushions, the space feels cozy rather than cramped. It's not about size. It's about making the environment immersive no matter the square footage. Enjoyed these budget-friendly basement home theater ideas? Don't forget to hit like and share this video with someone who's dreaming of a cozy cinema at home. Lighting is one of the most defining features of a theater, and in a basement, it's both a challenge and an opportunity. Because most basements have little natural light, they already provide a dim, cinematic backdrop. Instead of expensive lighting systems, simple solutions can create the right mood. String lights, inexpensive LED strips, and floor lamps with warm bulbs can create layers of illumination that mimic the ambiance of a theater. Dimmable lighting is a key element. Even on a budget, plug-in dimmers allow for easy adjustment of brightness, letting the room transition smoothly from pre-movie gatherings to total immersion once the film begins. Accent lighting along the floor or walls adds a professional feel while being inexpensive to achieve with adhesive LED strips. Atmosphere is also shaped by wall and ceiling treatments. While custom acoustic panels or decorative finishes can be costly, DIY alternatives like fabric wall hangings, repurposed curtains, or painted panels create a sense of depth and warmth. Color choices play a big role too. Darker hues on walls and ceilings reduce light reflection, helping the picture stand out more vividly. Beyond lighting, the atmosphere is about how the space feels. Incorporating soft textures, throw blankets, or budget-friendly wall art inspired by cinema can give the basement personality. Even the smallest touches, like a popcorn station set up on a simple cart or shelf, enhance the sense of experience without requiring a big investment. Which of these home theater ideas would you try in your own basement? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Sound is often what makes or breaks a home theater. While professional-grade soundproofing and high-end audio equipment can be expensive, there are budget-friendly ways to create a balanced sound environment in the basement. The enclosed nature of most basements helps contain sound, so the focus can shift to reducing echoes and improving clarity. Soft furnishings, such as rugs, curtains, and upholstered seating, naturally absorb sound and prevent it from bouncing harshly off walls. For unfinished walls, even hanging quilts or fabric panels can make a significant difference in sound quality. These simple methods double as decor, adding warmth while improving acoustics. When it comes to audio equipment, it's not necessary to have the latest surround sound system. Thoughtful placement of affordable speakers can go a long way. Positioning speakers at ear level and experimenting with angles often yields better results than simply buying more powerful equipment. In smaller basements, even compact speaker systems provide a rich audio experience when paired with the natural acoustics of the space. Another consideration is minimizing sound leakage to the rest of the home. While professional soundproofing is costly, budget alternatives include sealing gaps around doors, adding weather stripping, and placing rugs or mats against floors and walls to dampen vibrations. Even these small steps can make a big difference. Ultimately, the goal is immersion. A balanced, cozy sound environment makes viewers forget they're in a basement and instead feel fully transported into the world of the film. If you love smart and affordable home design ideas, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our next inspiration. No home theater is complete without a good viewing arrangement, but creating a cinematic setup doesn't mean purchasing rows of expensive recliners. Budget-friendly theaters can make use of sofas, sectionals, futons, or even a mix of seating types. Layering seating, such as placing beanbags or floor cushions in front of couches, allows for more people to enjoy the space comfortably without needing major investments. The layout is just as important as the furniture itself. By centering the seating around the screen and ensuring sightlines are clear, the space feels intentional and immersive. Raising the back row slightly with a platform made from basic wood or pallets can mimic the tiered seating of a theater while being an affordable DIY project. As for the screen, there are multiple budget-friendly approaches. A simple projector paired with a blank painted wall can be highly effective. For those who want a little more polish, inexpensive projector screens, or even DIY versions made from fabric stretched over a frame, provide a smooth surface for clear viewing. On the other hand, a large television may be more cost-effective for some, especially in smaller basements where screen size can still feel impactful. The key is optimizing what you have. Choosing the right distance between seating and screen enhances the viewing experience more than investing in the latest technology. Surrounding the screen with dark-colored fabric or simple wall decor can also create a focal point, drawing attention and enhancing the cinematic atmosphere. At the heart of it all, a basement home theater isn't defined by how much money is spent. It's defined by the experience it creates. It proves that with imagination and thoughtful choices, even the simplest spaces can become something extraordinary.